Today we're going to cook a ribeye steak on the indoor grill. Let's do it.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me.
I have my grill preheated and my steak marinated, so let's put this steak on. And hear that sizzle. We're cooking it at 425 degrees, and depending on the thickness of your steak as to how long you'll need to cook it, and also at what temperature you desire it to be, whether you want it medium, medium well, rare. We personally like our steak medium to medium well, so we're gonna give it a shot at 7 minutes per side, and then we will test it. The timer's going off. It's time to flip our steak. We're going to set that timer for another 7 minutes. The timer has gone off. It's been 7 more minutes, so let's test our steak and see what the temperature is. It's only at 118 degrees temperature, so we want to let it cook. We'll give it another 3 minutes, then we'll check it again. It's been another 3 minutes. I'm not sure that my thermometer is working correctly, so if you want to send me a great thermometer, beef thermometer, go ahead. But I'm gonna test it with, I'm gonna cut it open and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's looking really good. Oh my word, that is amazing. Too big of a piece in my mouth. You cannot beat a ribeye steak on an indoor grill.
Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.